Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a sweet little keto cookie recipe. This came to mind for me because I have been doing the keto diet for this past week. And also guys, I'm sorry for the echo, but yeah, I found these cookies to be so delicious and I decided to share the recipe with you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started.
You know how I'm coming all black with rose gold. I got all this flavor on me dripping like the culinary.
I just talk to God, cause he always lend an ear. Talk to God in public, that's when blessings reappear.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I hope they taste really good. And if you guys want more cool recipes like that, go ahead and check out my mom's YouTube channel. I will have her name pop up on the screen. And yeah, so yeah, go ahead and go subscribe to her channel. Maybe subscribe to mine too. Give this video a thumbs up. And comment down below if you guys want to see more videos like this. I will be happy to do so. And yeah, see you guys next time.